Ringke cases for the Google Pixel 4 XL. So I want to give a special shout out to Ringke for sending these cases over. So let's dive right in. All right, let's go ahead and put the Pixel 4 XL to the side for now. So you can see I have three cases here. Fusion X for the Google Pixel 4 XL in different colorways. We have a blue one, black one, and then it looks like this one is in a camo design. So let's go ahead and just open this one. Let's see. We'll do it like this. There you go, put that to the side. And then in the packaging, you get some instructions, remove outside film, etc. Put that to the side, and then some information here about the case. Fusion X by Ringke. I'm gonna get in here, pause the video if you want to read all that. Some stuff here, there are other products. And it's interesting, they put an iPhone for a Pixel case. Kind of funny. Put that to the side, and here's the case itself. And then we do have some plastic here. So, oh man, this might be challenging. Ooh, actually not too bad, this one. Woo! Throw that to the side, and then we'll do this one also on the inside. Come on, baby, get off, come on. Here we go. Woo! Nice and fast. And then here's the case. So you can see crystal clear. You can see my hand right through it. Hybrid case, hard plastic back, and a TPU here on the edges in this blue. All right, let's go ahead and put the Pixel 4 XL in, and we'll go check it out. Here we go, nice and snug fit. From the front, you can see the blue border of the case. Check that out. And then we're gonna flip it over, it's gonna look like this. Very nice. Now, if you have this white one, check this out. If you have the black one, obviously you can see the black through the case. Or if you have the orange Pixel, you wanna show off the color, consider this case. Now this does have the blue, so it'll be blue and orange, so if you like that color combination. Nice. All right, let's go ahead and get in here, and then we'll check out the front lip. Great amount of front lip here, so you can see. So pretty good lay on the table design here, and it gets higher on the bottom edge. So you can see right there, it gets a little bit higher. It lowers down here a little bit, and then it gets higher again here. So very good lay on the table design. Very nice. Okay, nothing on this part of the case. Lanyard cutout. On the bottom, you have your dual holes for your speaker, USB Type-C cutout. This side of the case, you have your volume rocker, a ridged power button. You can easily feel it with your finger. Very nice. Fusion X branding, pretty cool. Nice and subtle. On the branding, cutout for your microphone on top of the phone. And then I'm gonna flip it over in the back so you can clearly see the phone. Huge cutout for your camera array. I'm gonna go like this, and even the camera array has a lay on the table design as well. So if you put the phone down on its back, cameras should be protected. Feels good to hold, good amount of grip on the sides, and then we'll go ahead and test out the button tactility. Oh yeah, that's the thing about these Ringke cases. Their buttons are tactile. You can almost guarantee it. And then we'll go ahead and do the buttons on the volume. Nice and loud click. No issues with that. Very nice. And before I forget, let me go ahead and bust out my wireless charger right here. Let me go ahead and turn it on. And then we'll go test this real quick. Lay the phone down and it should work. So you can see. Cool. All right, we'll go ahead and check this one next. All right, this one's the Fusion X for the 4 XL. We'll open it this way. Much easier than what I did last time. Put all that to the side. Here's the case itself. All right, now same thing as last time, but this one is in black. We'll compare it right now. Take a look at the differences. Take the plastic off. Woo! Nice and fast. And then we'll do the same thing on the inside. Yeah, sometimes these plastic films are hard to take off, but not these. It's pretty good. All right, same thing as last time, so I'm not gonna necessarily go over it in hella detail, but you get the idea. We'll put the 4XL in, and we'll go check it out, so you can see. Now from the front, this is the black one, so it blends in seamlessly with the black front of the 4XL. So if you're going for this look, a little bit more seamless, consider this colorway. We'll flip her over in the back, and it's gonna look like this. Now this will give it that panda look, if that's what you're looking for aesthetically. Check it out. Now if you have the black one, obviously you'll see the black through the case. The orange one, it'll be orange back here. Cool. Front lip, same thing as before, so I'm just gonna go over it real quick. All right, lanyard cutout on the black one, check that out. On the bottom, same thing as the other case. Cutouts for your speaker, USB Type-C cutout. Now it blends in perfectly here with the black border of the phone, so it kind of just blends in together, looks very nice. Fusion X branding right there. Volume rocker, ridge power button. You can easily locate it with your finger. I dig it. Cut out for a microphone. On the back, take a look one more time. Lay-on table design on the camera array. Check that out. Feels good to hold, and we'll also check out the button here. Yeah, same thing as before, nice and clicky. Very loud click on the volume. Test this wireless charging, and it should work. Maybe because the phone's already at 100%, so we'll do it like this. Boom. There it is. Wireless charging works. Very nice. All right, next up, this one. All right, this one is the Fusion X Camo Black. And then let's see, tear here, which is exactly what I'm gonna do. Much easier than trying to open it from the bottom, right? And then we'll get rid of that. And here's this one. And then do we have plastic in the back? No, no plastic back here. But I can feel the design with my finger. It's like screen printed on the plastic. And then there is plastic on the inside though, so I'm gonna take this off. Woo! Nice and fast. And then do we have more plastic? Or what's going on here? Is this, wait a second, is this on the, oh, that's weird. Looks like we have 2 layers of plastic on the inside. Yeah, there's one more layer here. Interesting. Am I looking at this correctly, or what is happening here? Oh yeah, see, check it out. There's 2. So you just saw me take 1 layer off, and there's another layer on the inside. Both on the inside. There we go, interesting. Okay, I'm gonna clean this excess off. We don't want any extra pieces of sticky plastic on here. No, get off. I need to get this off. My OCD is gonna kick in. All right, here we go. Cool, now I'm looking at this, there's actually a little bit of a detail here. Let me zoom in, let the light hit it. There's some text right there, you see that? And what does that say? That says shock absorption technology. So that's what that says. This one, yeah, they all say it, as you can see. This one says it too. There we go, that's a nice touch. Attention to detail, Ringke, very nice. And also on the inside here, it says Rear Earth, made in Korea. Get the light to hit it right there, check that out. Cool. Got your camo design here. Same thing as the other cases, all right? So I'm just gonna put the 4XL in. We'll go check it out. And this one, again, black case, black front, blends in perfectly with the 4XL. I'm gonna flip it over in the back, it's gonna look like this. Now this looks pretty nice. If you like the camo design, yeah, this will look best if you have this white one, or if you have the orange one, you can clearly see the design here, the camo design. If you have the black one, you may not be able to see this as well, but this white one, the orange one, it's gonna look pretty sick. All right. And again, should be the same thing as the other cases. Front lip, you have your lanyard right here. All right. Bottom, you have your cutouts. Okay. Fusion X branding, volume rocker, ridge power button, get your mic, and then back here, take one more look, very tight, or very nice. And then here's the camera array, the protection. All right, buttons, clicky AF, and then the volume rocker, no issues. And then just for giggles, we'll do this one more time. And it should work, and it does. Cool. So these are the Ringke Fusion X cases for the Google Pixel 4 XL. So once again, I want to give a special shout out, a special thank you to Ringke for sending these cases over. Thanks for watching. Peace out.